Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyaas LawPrep. So in the series of NLU vacant seats, today we have come up with a new NLU which has released its notification for vacant seats. It's nothing but DSNLU Vizag. It has released vacant seats of whopping 21 seats. So let's have a detailed look where to apply, what to apply, and how to apply, and what are the seat matrix, etc. So first, for your convenience, we have created a dedicated page where you can see the list of all NLUs which have released a notification. Just type NLU vacancies 2026 and Abhyaas LawPrep dedicated page will be appeared for the first. So click on this, you will be redirected to the main page. So here you can see all the NLUs where vacant seats are released. So the very first one, DSNLU Visakhapatnam. So click on apply here. So Google form will be opened where you can fill all the required details and submit so that your candidature will be automatically recorded with the DSNLU. And what are the details? How many seats? So total 21 seats. The last date is June 17, 11:59 p.m. and the result will be declared on June 19. Total payment of 1500 rupees you need to pay. So next, so what are the seat matrix? For All India General Category, 10 seats are available. All India OBC, 5 seats. All India SC, 1 seat. AP State General Category, 3 seats. AP State BCD, 1 seat. AP State SCG1, 1 seat. So first, mostly for AP students, this is a good opportunity if you did not get any seat allocation in the CLAT consortium counseling procedure. So, and if you have written the CLAT 2026, so this is a good opportunity and you can apply through these vacancies because lot many seats are available in DSNLU. So for more updates, please continuously follow Abhyaas LawPrep, and whenever an NLU releases a notification, we will release it immediately. Thank you.